Good morning everyone. This video is about cranial nerves. So I will give one clue to remember these cranial nerves in order. First let us know what is a sensory nerve or what is a motor nerve. Sensory nerve is also called as afferent nerve. Means a nerve which carries the information from the sensory organ to brain. So sensory means you remember sensory organ to the brain. For example, from eyes to brain. So, what the information they'll carry? So, we saw a snake. So, that information is carried by eyes to brain. So, sensory nerve carries information from the sensory organ to brain. Then, reverse is the motor nerve, which carries direction from the brain to that organ, is called as motor nerve. Let us know what are they and just what is their main function. The simple word to remember these nerves in order is vota phagv. Vota, O-O-O-T-T-A, vota. Okay, first let us know them in the order. First is olfactory nerve, which is responsible for smell, and it is main function is sensory nerve. Then optic nerve is for sight, and it is also sensory in nature. Oculomotor is eye muscles, and it is also motor nerve. Trochlear nerve, it is responsible for eye muscles, means movement of the eyes. It is motor nerve. Trigeminal, it is responsible for teeth and eyes and skin. Okay, teeth, eyes, skin. Its nature is both motor and sensory, means which carries information from the sensory organ to brain and from brain to that organ, sensory organs. Okay, abducens. So, sixth nerve is abducens, eye muscles. That is motor in nature. First, let us review about up to 6 only. That is OTA, triple O. Okay, O-O-O-T-T-A, OTA. Okay, so 1 is olfactory, 2 is optic, 3 is oculomotor, 4 is trochlear, and 5 is trigeminal. Then 6th is abducens. Abducens is eye muscles. Now you may got one doubt, that is oculomotor, trochlear, and abducens. These 3 are responsible for eye muscles. Means what? Eye muscles means commonly how many movements will have? Upward, downward. Means eyes, how we will see? Upward, downward. Left, right. Then oblique means cross. So because we have 6 movements possible for eyes, these 3 muscles are responsible for those movements. Coming to 7th nerve is facial nerve, which is responsible for taste, that is taste buds. It is both, that is sensory and motor in action. Vestibulocochlear, 8th is vestibulocochlear. Cochlear means what? Cochlea is which part? Part of the inner ear. Okay. Coming to 9th is glossopharyngeal. Glosso means commonly what? We can know that it is related to tongue. Tongue means back part is what? Pharynx. Okay, means chewing and all these functions. Okay, that is pharyngeal is both motor and sensory. 10th is vagus nerve. Is it responsible for the 3 organs, that is pharynx, larynx, and trachea, and it is both sensory and motor. Vagus, we also say that vagus nerve is responsible for hungry, appetite. Okay, means it is also having some action related to stomach, we can say. Okay, remember that. That is enough. Now don't go in deep. 11th nerve is accessory. Accessory means like helping word. Okay, accessory verbs you might have heard that. Okay, this is responsible for neck and back muscles. Okay, so if anything happens, any damage, any injury, any accident, if this nerve is damaged, which part will be damaged? So they cannot move the neck and the back muscles. They will be paralyzed. That is the meaning. Okay, it is motor in nature. Last but not least, that is 12th nerve, that is hypoglossal. Means glossa means what? Tongue. So, okay, hypo, it is below the tongue. That is responsible for the tongue, and it is motor in nature. So the simple tip we discussed is OTA, FVGVA, phagva. Okay. To remember which nature, which function is theirs is SSMMBM. Okay, 6. For OTA means O. First one is sensory, motor, both motor. Okay, SSMMBM. Then second 6 are means phagva are BSBBMM. Okay, both sensory, both motor and motor. Okay, this is about the 12 cranial nerves. In this figure, just you can have a look so that you can remember well. Okay, so that is first. Let us revise. Ota. O is olfactory. Okay, likewise you can go. That is first one from here. From I you can move and 12 we will get. Thank you for watching.